Hey guys, welcome back. So, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. That's why I want to show you 3 different gift ideas which you can make very easily and can gift it to your special ones. So, let's jump into the video. For the first gift idea, I am using a wooden slice which I bought online few days before. And now start painting it with white color. Here I am just making a rough shape of a rose. After this, use a flat brush and start making some rough and random petals with crimson red. Now take a lighter shade and repeat the same process. Make another rough petals with some darker shades like this. And start blending it with crimson red. We can always add darker tones to make the depths and shadows. And in the end, just make some white highlights on the roses. Now to make the leaves, here I am using dark green and lemon yellow color. Now for the second idea, I am using a canvas board of 8 by 10 inches. To make this beautiful piece, just start putting some random drops of crimson red, white, pink and sky blue. Now start blending them with a flat brush. Here I am making some random streaks with golden metallic paint. You don't need to be perfect in this, just keep adding random streaks and you will get an amazing abstract background. After completing the background, start writing whatever you want. Here I am writing Be Mine with the help of Fevicol. Now add the glitter on this and let it dry for some time. After drying it properly, remove rest of the glitter like this. And it's ready. Now for the last gift idea, I am using a small stretched canvas and start taping it diagonally in equal parts. After this, let's paint these diagonal stripes with pink and sky blue color. Now remove the tape carefully. In the next step, make a rough heart with a pencil and start pasting some ready-made flowers with the help of a fabric glue. So these are 3 beautiful gift ideas which I want you to try once for your partners. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.